Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing a tent box, and we are both shattered now because we've just had to take it from this part of the garden down to the back of the drive so we can talk about it, and it's heavy as hell. But essentially all we've done, unboxed it, left it on some cardboard, and that's about it. So we need to open it, we need to get all the fixings and attempt to maneuver it onto the car. So that is exactly what we're going to do now. You excited?
Yay.
Right, let's go. This is what we got. So attention, all fixing parts needed for the installation can be found inside your tent box. Assuming we've got to unfold it, we need to visit that, which we will do. It says sometimes small metal shards can be shaken out, and we can see that all over the place. So when we set this up, we need to give it a good hoover inside before we decide to use it. Right, so that installation video lasted about 2 seconds. We're going to follow it, but we're going to do it while we're actually assembling it so we don't forget. For the first bit, we've got to open it. So I think this straps there, couple straps there, straps here, some straps here as well, and then underneath, and then it's unfolding. It's actually huge. Put a bit of cardboard, okay. Voila. Somewhere in here there is stuff. Is it in here? Hello. There's stuff. It's on the other side though. Cover. Window poles.
It's very dark at the moment.
Yeah. Wow. A ladder.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Oh, yeah. Prop it up against the wall. Is that everything in there? Okay, I'm going to close it down again. Yeah, tuck that in. Happy days. Right. Debrief. What do we got? Some poles. We won't need them yet. Got a welcome kit and fixings, I assume. We can open them. A cover, which we won't need yet.
What's this? A toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
That's cute. Fairy lights.
Lights. And there we go.
What is that? A
Lanyard.
lanyard? Oh, I'm having that. That's mine.
And earplugs. Just claimed it already.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need right now? Fairy lights, toothbrush, and earplugs. It's all about raw strength. No skill, strength.
You're right.
That's the fixing for the tent box. Comes with the thingy, spanner. Probably ladder fixing, some other stuff. Right, we need to watch the next step. These things, just as easy as go straight on, apparently. So that's one. Sure, that'll do. That was nice and easy. So now I think this, yeah, because that's to stop the ladder making noise, right? So it's definitely where the ladder's meant to go. Well, one there, and one there. And that there to stop it making noise. So we just need the screws, which are presumably these ones. Just nut through on the other side. Yep. Okay, tighten. So you want to go right, that's it.
This way.
Yep, keep going. Yeah? Right, next one. Tight?
Yeah.
Yep. Right, now these two. We should be able to lift the whole tent up with it. Yeah. Happy days. Hello? Hiya. Yes. Right, that was by far the longest process, was winding these up, and they give you an ordinary spanner, but I had to whack out the good old Helpwood spanner just so you can get the ratchet on it. It makes it a lot easier. But it's all on. It's one with the car. Yeah, it's time to unfold it now, I guess. Right, we buckled everything up. Obviously it took an absolute age, but what we're gonna go do is we're gonna drive to a lay-by somewhere where we can just open it up. I can show you all the inside, show you all around. There's just not enough room on the drive to open it all up and film everything and really showcase it off. So if you give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna think of somewhere to go. We're gonna go there and we're gonna have a blast. Right, I found a cute little spot. It's like a tiny little lay-by, but this would be perfect for showing you exactly what this is like. There's a cobweb on it already. Are you joking? This is what the tent box looks like on the Focus when it's slammed. Absolutely on the floor, obviously all covered up. It's got its beautiful little cover. You got straps holding the cover down. And then that's obviously where the ladder is. When you're driving and stuff like that, it's really quiet. You know, there's nothing really to say about it. It's quite it doesn't look very streamlined, but it does the job for sure. Now, I've only opened this once on the drive, and that's just to open it to hoover it all out. And I couldn't get enough like room around the drive to actually show you exactly what it's like. So that's where we've come here today. So I've had one experience opening this, and it was with my girlfriend, but I'm sure I can do it by myself. But yeah, as it sits, when it's all packed away, it's really neat, to be honest. Very, very neat. But let me show you how to open this thing. So step number one, release the straps. I like to just throw them over. And one thing I would say with this is careful not to scratch your car with it, because these are metal. Just open the door and chuck them inside. Same with this one. Open the door, chuck it inside. Bada bing, bada boom. Cover. They got little like pleat things here, so just undo them. Start pulling it off. It's off. And then this you could just put in the car. It completely folds up, so it's not a worry in the world about size or space or anything. I would fold it up obviously if I was going to be setting up for a long time, but right. Now's the even easier part, right? So a few more straps, make sure all of these are off. These are soft, right? So I'm gonna prop you up and show you exactly how this works. It's really, really cool. All you gotta do is extend the ladder, use it as like a leverage to pull it up and plop it down. That's it. So just undo the strap on the ladder. It's already started to take shape. Look at that. So with the ladder, just when you've obviously pulled it all out, you're gonna have a lot like spare. So just put it all back together and then just let it fall down, let it lock out, and then just put it on the floor nice and securely. But this is what it looks like. None of the windows have been erected yet, so we still have to do that. Let's get onto that. So there's these little covers, obviously like any normal tent would have. Another one of these. Then what I'll do is I'll keep that one closed, but I'll open this one and then we can get some pictures. Everybody driving past is going to be like, what the hell is this guy got a tent on his roof for? All right, so those are undone. Cover just goes over the Velcro, and that just comes down the whole way. I like to do this while I'm out here. And then your poles will go in this gap and slot straight into this little metal bit underneath to prop up the windows. God, this thing is huge. I keep forgetting how big it is. Pull these all down, even by the ladder. Now I've kept the poles inside, shoved by the mattress, so I've got to go get them real quick, but it gives me an opportunity to show you the inside. Right, here are the poles. So I pop them on the floor quickly and open them up. So these just slot in through this cover and into this bit here, and then it gets a bit harder doing this one-handed, but essentially you just put it up, and that's one side up. You can adjust it. There you go. Next pole, make sure these slot in. I can feel slotted in, but if you just wiggle it, it goes in a bit more. God, that is really hard to do one-handed. Tent bit opened up. I'll do that one. No, we won't do that one. We'll do the front one and we'll do the side one, and I'll get back to you in just a second. Okay, it didn't take too long when you got two hands. We haven't opened any of the windows yet. It's taking shape. So what I'll do now, we'll hop inside. The skylight should be open anyway. We left it open, and I'll give you a quick tour. These do actually fold up right to the top and can keep out of your way, which we'll do as well on the inside. So first things first, get the shoes off. Wish me luck, because this is the scariest part. Putting all that trust in those roof bars. I'm coming in. Oh, I'm getting caught. Oh, I'm in. Welcome to the inside of the tent box. Now it's a very dark place at the moment, so let me quickly prop up these windows. They come with little bars on them, so you just roll them up like so. And these just open nice and easily, to be fair. And you got like a fly net as well. Oh, it's always nerve-wracking seeing the car below you. We get some fresh air in here, and then you can just tuck this, obviously right behind the mattress or anything like that. But it's our first window, fresh air. Got a lovely little skylight here. Right, just like that, this door's open now. So we do the same with the last door. Now, everyone's probably wondering what these are. These are in here for like anti-moisture, right? And they got sent here with the actual tent box, but I thought might as well keep them in here to get any other moisture that might arise. But yeah, let me do this window quick. So yeah, that one's already open and that one's already open, and you just use these to prop it up quick. Bada bing, bada boom. Right, we are all set up now. So you can obviously see the front of the car, which is scary. And if I open this quick, you can see the back of the car as well. So we'll just keep that closed. Right, let's go check outside. Come on, you need to come with me. I'm going. Here we are. So this you can tuck away to make it look a bit neater, right? There you go. You got a bloody tent on your car. How cool is that? Now obviously we've got the fly shields down on all of them. You can have the fly shields, you can also close the sunroof. You can close all these. It's completely black inside, and then obviously the back we've got it all closed off. But this is mega. This is going to be huge for camping trips. And I can't actually, I wish I could show you how big it is. It's huge in here. This mattress is super comfy as well. So obviously you can just put a mattress topper on here or any other stuff you may want to do, but this is epic. Right, I'm just going to grab a few pictures of the Focus with it on, because why not? We'll move to closing it, which is even easier because it's quite literally just fold it and put a cover on it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Right, pictures are taken. Now the disassembly process. Drop the windows, tighten them all back up, obviously zip them all back up, take the props out. Once that's all done, make sure everything's tucked in, fold it back up, put a cover on it. And do that one, and it folds down. Then just do the fly cover up, and then these up as well. Now I wonder, I could probably do this outside if I just pop this mirror in. We'll have to do this one first, which is not a problem. Oh. Yeah, I could do that. There you go, you don't even have to be inside. It's two, so you can see it's much more closed off now. Grab a phone out, and then same thing. I'll literally just undo these. That's one, and just slot it out. Gently just slot them on the floor. Same with this side. And then, just gonna put these all back inside the tent. Last little bits, just fold this inside like so. And then this, again, super hard to do with one hand. There we go. And then just repeat the process. Right, once you've folded all these away and clipped them in, and all these, then it's ready to fold. So the way you do this is you just collapse the whole ladder and basically just let it tumble down. Because of the mattress and other stuff like that, it doesn't just slam down. But while you're folding it, just make sure everything's tucking in rather than out, because it just makes your life a bit more difficult. So let's do this. Here it goes. Right, now as you can see, got a bit of overspill, so we can still lift it up a bit, just tuck some stuff in. But like that with one hand and tuck the rest in. I can't do this with one hand, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, all tucked in. Now, these straps go on the outside of the cover and these straps go inside, but they're under here. So like we did earlier, instead of flicking this down, we're gonna flick them up. It'll expose some little hooks and also give us the Velcro for the cover. Now this next part's a bit harder. Doing it yourself with the cover is a bit of a pain, but I thought if you just mash it up, put it on top and then sort it out after, it's much easier. Like that. Ooh. There you go. That's the back side. It's another back side. So just in the corner, obviously. Same with this corner. It's not let it stick too early. And then I like to pull it nice and tight. Obviously you got some more spare here, so just pull it around. Now it really depends how fussy you are, but I like trying to get it as even as possible. But if you just want the cover to do a job, it'll do the job. All right, and then this just goes on there. And then last little bit, these straps. So make sure it's straight, and I like to just chuck it over about there. Chuck it over a bit. Grab it, and make sure it's still straight. And we'll be sitting about there. This one's a bit twisted, but we can fix that. There you go. Tighten up, and just tighten it up. Lovely. Now just one last final check, make sure all the Velcro's still on. This side's a bit, there you go, that's much straighter. Same with this side, much straighter. And there you go. Right, and just like that, everything is packed away. I am really excited to start and go and doing some like adventures and stuff in this thing. Anyway, thank you guys all for watching. That's a bit of a short one, but I thought I'd film it anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.